Reliable property inspection. We are committed to serving our customers. Our business is built on trust, integrity, and ensuring our clients have the information required to make an educated decision on one of the largest investments they'll ever make. Choosing the right property inspector can help ease your stress and give you peace of mind. When you need a property inspection, you can trust us to do the job thoroughly, every single time. We pay extreme attention to detail and work hard to set up convenient times that work with your schedule. The main sewer line cleanout is inaccessible or unavailable. We have elected to enter the sewer line via a vent pipe located on the roof. We are now entering the upper sanitary sewer lateral. Material type appears to be cast iron piping. Corrosion and scaling observed. There is corrosion and scaling throughout the cast iron piping. In residential use, cast iron pipes should last 50 to 75 years. Some factors can speed up deterioration, but the typical cast iron sewers should reach this age before replacement. Cast iron pipe is the most common type of piping that needs descaling, but it can also happen with other materials like copper or concrete pipes. It's possible to remove the corrosion deposits within a cast iron drain pipe. There are several different ways to descale pipes, including hydrojetting, chemical descaling, and electronic descaling. Root penetration observed. Tree and or shrub roots have penetrated the pipeline. Offset joint observed. Sediment and debris will get caught up on the lip of the offset and eventually cause blockage. As long as there is a gap or offset in your pipe, there is sewage exiting the pipe. This sewage is not only leaking into the ground, but it is also taking soil along with it. As the water in the pipe picks up dirt, it washes it away, which can create sinkholes. Root penetration observed. Root penetration observed. Root penetration observed. There is an unidentified foreign object observed, blocking flow. This is the end of the sanitary sewer lateral, and the beginning of the main city sanitary sewer line. Thank you for allowing Reliable Property Inspection to be of service. We hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Once again, thank you.